Good evening. My name is Luzina Kowe. My background is in health science, emphasis in community health, minor in gerontology. Currently, I am pursuing a public health degree. I also have experience in healthcare. I've worked for the past 5, 6 years in healthcare. And so far, my educational journey has been from high school, bachelor's, and now I'm working on my master's. And I hope um, to get my master's in public health and start my career from there. Well, family wise, I'm a wife, a mother of two boys, and I just had my second boy last this on June. He's 2 months, almost 3 months. Um, I'm from a very huge family. Um, I grew up in Liberia, and right now majority of my family is split up. I have half of my family back in Liberia, and I have some of my family here. But my immediate family are presently here with me. Um, for my what I do in my leisure time, I try to make. I like a good DIY project, and sometimes I do a little bit of homemade sewing, sew some clothes, or just things for my home. What I hope to learn in this course is to completely get the steps down for how to assess a community, um, getting to understand what a community needs, um, not just what I think they need, but getting to understand from interviews and from talking to community heads or leaders that to understand what the community is lacking or what it needs. That would be something I already learn. I like to learn from this class, and as a whole, as a community, I'll try. I like to. I'm hoping that this class can take me to a level that I have not, even though I have not practicalized, but something that I can learn to be able to that I can carry it into my career and learn to practicalize it in the field, and just not reading about it, but basically learning it to the fullest. I'm hoping I can get that from this class. And with that said, I want to tell you all thank you. Um, I hope that this class we all can learn from each other. Thank you all. You have a good night.